All right, so this is Nicholas Humphreys. I have my cardiovascular blood flow chart here. This is listed on page 114 for reference. I got a key over here, and it's color coded. So pretty much just went off the page. Got all the layout here from the pulmonary capillaries to the aorta, aortic valve, tissue cells, tricuspid, bicuspid valves, the lungs, vena cavas, pretty much everything that I'm going to be explaining. So I got some cards here just in case I need them, but yeah, so let's go ahead and start the flow. You got the inferior vena cava, superior vena cava. These are the main pathway for the blood flow. The blood flow from the inferior side is going to be coming from the legs. The superior is going to be coming from the superior side of the body, so the extremities in the head. So blood flow comes in, and for the top, it's going to go into the right atrium. From the right atrium, it's going to pass through the tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve has 3 flappers on it to prevent the backflow of blood back up into the right atrium when it reaches the right ventricle. So the right ventricle then pushes the blood up into this artery, which is the pulmonary artery, into the lung. Now, blue again is artery, so it's also CO2 deoxygenated blood. So once it gets into the lung and passes through the pulmonary capillaries, it becomes oxygenated and it goes into the pulmonary veins and it becomes oxygenated. So once it goes through the veins, it passes through, or goes into the left atrium and passes through the bicuspid valve. Bi is 2, so it's got 2 flappers here and they're circled in black. Once it reaches, or it goes through there and comes down to the left ventricle, it actually gets pushed up through the aortic valve, which is right here. The aortic valve separates the heart from the aorta. So not separates, but there's a channel right there. So once it gets pushed through the aorta, it gets pushed, and it's all oxygenated blood. It gets pushed up to the extremities and gets dispersed throughout the body. That's pretty much it. A really cool fact that I seen.